Teamwork makes the dream work. It's as simple as it says. And it's kind of cliche, but you know what? It actually works. Why does it work, right? Teamwork is about having each other's back, winning as a unit, making sure that we understand, hey, we're all here for the same purpose. We're all here trying to serve the customer's need. We're all here trying, not trying, but doing, impacting and improving the lives of people, like being the best, doing work that matters, right? It's all about the team. We can't do it alone. I can't do it alone. Nobody can do it alone. Nobody should want to do it alone. And we're better as a unit. We're better as a team. As human beings, we are communal creatures. We need community to thrive. That's how God created us. That's why we're put on this earth, is to be with each other. And when people try to do everything on their own, which is a temptation, which is hard not to do, right? We want to be self-sufficient. We want to be independent. We have this rogue individualism mindset. But at the end of the day, teamwork makes the dream work, right? It makes things come to life. It makes bigger things happen when we work together as a team, right? It's also about communicating clearly. It's not guessing or trying to read each other's mind. Hey, when you do teamwork, it's saying, hey, I'm going to communicate clearly to you so you understand why we're here, what we're trying to accomplish, and how to get it done. It's important. It's about stepping in when someone's in the thick of it, right? If one of your friends, your coworkers, if the lady that you work next to every single day is struggling, don't let her just struggle on her own. Be a good team player. Pick her up. Give her some positive energy. Encourage her, right? Or if she's doing really good, celebrate with her. High five with her. Say, man, that was awesome. Give her some acknowledgement. It's about picking each other up when we're down, holding each other up. And then if somebody's getting off track, hey, that's not how we do things here. As a team, this is what we do. These are the core principles of how we behave, how we act. It's not just about picking each other up or celebrating wins. It's about holding each other accountable. And when we're working together, we all want to win and we all want to do well. We got to protect the mothership and we got to protect the company. We got to look out for the customer. We got to look out for our vendors. It's about having that done as a team, right? And then we do team events, right? It's fun to do team events to get to know each other better. Free Lunch Friday is something that we can do every single month at all of our locations as we get together. We eat lunch together, we get to know each other better, we play games. It's about doing our quarterly fun events where we get together as a team, whether it's at work or outside of work, with our families or without our families. It's something that we do together to build that bond for teamwork. Teamwork is really, it's an interesting concept because we grow closer through adversity. And you could be forced to put on a team and stuck in a situation with people you don't like, and it's a drain on you, it's a drain on me, it's a drain on everybody, and you can feel it in the air when the teamwork is bad. But when it comes down to it, you have to work with these people or it's not going to go well, or maybe it's a job requirement. But here at Gallaher Fleet Solutions, we want to work with people that we be a part of a team and be contributing members to the team. And sometimes the bad things that we go through bring us closer together. The adversity strengthens our bond. So as we go through obstacles, as we tackle hard problems, when we have each other's back, when we support each other, when we picked up somebody's slack, maybe they're sick or they called out, they couldn't make it to work that day, and we had their back and we just didn't wait for them to come back to work and then dump it all on their desk, or you're like, oh, well, we waited for you to come back so you can do all this work, but we picked up their work for them and we helped them. So when they came back, it was a smoother transition. So those are some of the things that help the team come together. And when the team comes together and act as one with one purpose, one goal, and we all work together and we have the right people on the right seat on the right bus and we're moving and we create that unstoppable momentum, man, those dreams start to come alive and they start to come together and it starts to feel good. And when we do have adversity, we have so much momentum and so much teamwork that we tackle it. It's not as big as a problem or as big as an obstacle as was before. So teamwork makes the dream work. It's about overcoming obstacles together, growing that bond, choosing to be positive, helping each other out in good days and bad days, and then seeing the dreams come together and celebrating those dreams together.